Hey Virgo, welcome to your general love read, okay? We're going to look at the month forecast ahead, but whenever you come to this, if it resonates for you, that is when it was meant for you, okay? What's really funny, I have to tell you, it's very funny before I pull for the collective, okay? Yesterday I was chilly, and so I took my shawl off, and I didn't realize until I just sat down that it was kind of scrunched under my pillow. But the way that I sat on it, Spirit is laughing, and Spirit's like, so someone's got a stick up there behind, right? And I thought, I wonder how that's going to play out in this reading, because nothing is like just coincidence, okay? So I'm going to pull for the collective here. Then I'm going to get intention for the reading. If you are new, welcome. I am not everyone's cup of tea. I am an intuitive. Some of what I do here is non-traditional, okay? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. As a general rule, roles can be reversed. I could be picking up on 10-year-old baggage that you are not releasing or new energy coming towards you, okay? For those of you that returned, thank you. You mean so much to me, and that is why I do this, is for you. Okay, let's see here. For the collective, I feel like you're getting mindful, perhaps about walking away from something. All right? And Spirit's saying, keep breathing through it. It's opening your heart. It's letting you know the right path for you going forward. And know that a lot of this is about finding yourself, not necessarily about somebody else, okay? And they're tipping over. So it could be a tipping point that's coming to you, okay? And I love this because the one card came out, okay, as a hidden that you can't see. So the intention here is that you're moving through something. Okay, that's that whole energy of you're walking through, breathing through it, figuring it out, right? You are moving through something here. But guess what? Keep moving. Success is yours. All right? So beautiful energy going into this. So the way I do the monthly reading, next month will actually be the 6-month looking out reading. The way I do it, I'm looking at you, your person, swap it out if you need to, okay? So let's look at what's going on for Virgo. Oh, Virgo, your person. All right, Virgo. Bottom of the deck is the 8 of Wands, and it is passionate communication here, okay? Followed by thinking, okay? Intuitive. You're going into the month trying to find your hope about a situation here that is very powerful, very divine, okay? Now, in the midst of this here, in the middle of the month, we've got this transformation, okay, happening, coming into this full power of the Empress. And at the end of the month, we have this pull back, okay, and that thoughtful process of love. Now, before I move into this other side, for not all of you, but what I'm getting for someone here is that this Queen of Cups is the lovers, okay? But this Empress is transforming. And so it could be that you have to get really mindful about, well, which path do I take now? but that's not for everybody, okay? I feel like for the most of the collective here, you're coming into a powerful connection. You're rising up and transforming because of it, but you're getting a little bit introspective at the end of the month, you know, about this love, this connection. Okay, this person, it's like they're impatiently waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. I don't want to look at things. I'm being impatient, but I'm having to be patient. I'm sitting here. As they move through the month, okay, there could be this feeling of showing up in an energy that's not 100% truthful. Okay, here with the moon, right? It's almost like I'm getting that they are dropping things out here for you to see, trying to showcase things in their life in a way that are not necessarily the way they are. End of the month, though, I feel like as soon as you pull back and get introspective, this person's like, oh, no, this is what I want, okay? And they're going to try to fight for this. So let's take a deeper look. Let's look at the Lovers here. Okay. Somebody is watching, okay? Somebody is forbidden fruit for some reason. It may be that it just hasn't gotten there in the relationship yet. It could be that there's a third party energy here. But you're like, I know, right, Virgo? You're like, I know that I manifested this, right? Like you were calling in that dove. You can see that dove. You were calling in this soulmate connection. So you know that this is meant for you. You have zero doubt about that. But with the Knight of Swords here, it's almost like having to, really fight a little bit of the old energy to allow yourself to truly accept what is meant for you. Now this person, okay, I feel like they had some damage in their past. Okay, but with the Five of Cups in reverse and the Eight of Pentacles, the way that they're dealing with it is it's like, I'm just going to shut down and work. Okay, if I'm working, I'm not having to deal with any of the hurt, any of the trauma, any of the past. So they're putting all of their energy, right, into a little bit of a coping mechanism here. But they're not hiding from these emotions. They're actually in the emotions here with the King of Cups. Okay, so definitely with the Lovers and the King and Queen of Cups, this is a very powerful connection. Okay, so we've got the Empress here transforming. All right, there's a rebirth, bringing in all of this abundance and all of this, like, I'm getting this sort of beautiful home environment. Okay, if you're dealing with a third party, this person is wearing a mask, okay? They are putting on their own airs here, okay, to show that they've transformed. but there's a Seven of Swords here. So there's still a secret. Okay, whether you're dealing with third party or not, there's still a secret between the two of you. And we've got the masked queen over here and the moon over here. I feel like you both know, but it's just not being said, not being talked about. Okay, yeah, Five of Swords. Somebody got stabbed in the back in this, okay? But the other person walked away hurt regardless. And so Two of Swords here, this person doesn't know what they want yet, right? Old shadows, a lot of old shadows to deal with here. But I feel like they fantasize, they think about you a lot. Nine of Cups. And they just don't want you to know how much they think about you. Okay, right? I'm strong. I don't need you. I'm strong. End of the month, pulled back. Yep, Five of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. I love you, but I'm pulled back. Okay? Because I was charging straight ahead and my emotions went crazy. And I just, what am I supposed to do about that? Okay, this person, they're like, I'm going to fight for it, but Knight of Cups in reverse. But I'm not actually going to. It's just in my head, okay? It's just in my head that I'm going to fight for it. I'm actually going to probably get really pissy, okay? King of Pentacles. And there's Three of Pentacles at the bottom. This person could be going back to a past person. Something that feels more stable. But it has nothing to do with them not wanting to fight for you. Okay? And if there's no third party, it's just them going back into their protective bubble. Okay? With the Four of Pentacles. I feel safer when I restrict from this. And therefore, I don't have to worry about getting hurt, even though everything about you I know is what I want, right? Star with the Ace of Swords, Justice. Even when there's barely any energy flowing between the two of you, this person knows without a doubt you are the one. But they have a lot of fears. Okay, emotionally, that's a mirrored energy. This person being impatient, patiently waiting, but impatient. Okay, because so are you. So are you, right? And there's sadness here. I feel like you are not being allowed to be with this person. And when you have to pull back, like, I love you, but I've got to pull back. That's not happiness. That's sadness. Okay, this person, yeah, they have a lot of regrets, a lot of remorse. Again, this person may carry a lot of past shame, and you may not know how deep that runs. Yeah, guilty. Okay, there's a feeling of everything's on me. Okay, you're right. Everything's on me. Throw it out there. I will be the one to carry it all. Because that's what I always do. Okay, this person always feels like in the end, it's always my fault. It's always me. And And so there is a very protective shell around this person, no matter how emotionally they feel about you. Okay. We've got the Six of Pentacles here. Again, for someone, you feel like you're trying to give yourself into two spaces here. And it could just be the space where I've healed and the space where I love. Okay. And you're just watching this person just work, 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 work. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. And you know that they're just not giving you the emotions. And you could be following through with you, being like, well, then I'm not giving you the emotions either. All right. Four of Pentacles. You're going to focus on work. I'm going to focus on work. Right? Pentacles, Pentacles, Pentacles. You're going to focus on your stability. I'm going to focus on my stability. Pentacles, Pentacles, Pentacles. Right? This person does love you. Okay. And they do know that this is a divine partnership. This is Four of Swords is my 11-11. Okay. In their head, they know exactly what's going on here. Yeah. King of Swords. I'm clear. I'm clear in my head 100% about what this is. But again, okay, at least for this person over here, there is the past and the future. Two of Wands, Two of Pentacles, right? Comparing and juggling and seeing which one am I going to go with. Am I going to put myself out there? Am I going to put my vulnerability out there? Am I going to put myself at risk, hoping that I'm going to get this cup? There's a lot of fear of rejection here. Okay, so the secret here, okay, could be, you know, somebody is having a child, but, all right, I feel like there is, again, if you are with an Empress here, right, there's a rekindling. And it could be somebody that you have children with. Okay. Because, yeah, Queen of Wands here. Somebody may have been pushed back here. Right? And now things are starting to blossom. Yeah, communication opened here with this Empress energy. Okay. And it was like, let's put the past in the past and move forward. But somebody's head is still not completely in this here with the Nine of Cups. Somebody is still not fully engaged in it. So the person over here, okay, you are at a distance from, and you are very different. And one of you, right, has shared some emotions and the other one has not. But there are emotions between both of you. But I'd also feel like, okay, with the Five of Pentacles here, okay, again, reiterating being out in the cold, but I feel like a lot of the secret here is, so this person is talking about you over here, you're talking about them over here, and no communication with each other about the things that you feel like you need to say. Right? And I feel like you've had the chance. Ace of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. You've both had the chance, but no one's done it. Okay, so end of the month. Okay, emotional tower. I'm moving forward. My emotions are all over the place, so I'm pulling back, but I'm moving forward. You really want what you want. But you also cannot have it without leaving something from your past behind. Okay, with the Death card here, you have to transform fully in order to accept this. Two of Swords. You can't see how to make that happen with this person. You just can't see it. Again, with the Six of Cups, this person could be, okay, going back to someone from their past. Okay, they're tired of the secrets, the Moon in reverse. Okay, Ace of Swords. I'm tired of having to hold things back. Yeah. There's this part of them that knows, all right, that there would have been a very ugly fight, okay, that would have existed within this, okay, because there's a very angry Emperor right here. Queen of Pentacles not getting a whole lot, all right, Knight of Swords in the mix. I feel like that's why they were just patiently impatient and waiting. All right. I feel like the pain was too much, right? They could have just left you waiting on the sidelines here, right? Holding this cup, wanting to come forward, knowing that it's something powerful and special with the Hierophant there. Kind of leaving you as the wounded warrior, all right? But I feel like they are being left the same. Let's go ahead and pull a couple of oracle cards, romance angel oracles, all right? Trust that what is happening here right now is for your highest good. Yeah, somewhere there's a wedding involved in all of this. And it could just be that maybe your parents or their parents did not have a great relationship, and there's that energy holding on to it. Or even a past wedding that did not go well in your life. But trust that the way things are right now, okay, it's meant. There are family healing issues that need to happen within all of this. Okay, this person, they like to control things. And they are trying to let go of that. And you can see up here the angels and guides. All right. They are kind of forcing this person into addressing what needs to be addressed. Yeah. Okay. What they might realize is that they've been trying to control everything, but all they've managed to do is keep themselves like in this cage, this prison, this self-prison. All right? Yeah, they haven't let anyone in. And it has to do with this pain and sorrow that they have from their own past, and they haven't addressed it. You know, oftentimes we come together in these very powerful connections in a way to bring things up to the surface and heal them. Not necessarily to be together forever and always. It's not always meant for that. Okay, but I do feel like you're just traveling through this. Okay, so at least for now, I don't feel that you're meant to be making a choice with this person. Is the energy I'm getting. Okay. Here's the deal, the Witness, okay? It's a completion card. I feel like you've both seen things and probably done things within this connection that you are not pleased with. Okay, I do feel that stabbing in the back sort of energy. Okay, they want one more. Okay. Yeah, the big lesson here, okay, is number one, yes, this is this divine, like, superpower couple, okay, here. And you are mirroring each other and bringing things up to the surface, and it's creating dusty auras and, you know, just crap to deal with. But the obstacle here is that you guys have not had the conversation that needed to happen, right? You pull back, they pull back, right? There's a tug of war going on and no real communication. And so I feel like neither of you have any idea, in truth, what the other one wants to say or has to say. Okay. Now, I was going to wait. This is my last week of doing extended, so I haven't been sharing the extendeds. And I was going to wait to pull this until I move into the extended, but Spirit is telling me I need to pull this now because there has not been communication. And you need to know, okay, what this person wants to say to you. So what does this person want to say to Virgo? Tell me you feel what I feel. Okay? In the bottom of the deck, sorry, I am not available right now. Okay? What's missing here is the conversation. So I hope this helps you. I hope you guys have a beautiful week. If you've watched this far, please click on that like button. That's an energetic love back to the channel, and it helps get the message circulated out to other people that need to hear this message. As well, next week I'm going into Soul Path. All right, so we'll see. I'm being very much drawn to layers of Akashic records. Okay, so we'll see what happens there. So much love, guys. I hope to see you next time, and bye.